wanted to turn legendary folklore into a full-blown animated series? Today, I'm showing you the ultimate AI workflow to create the stories of Andare, from script to screen, without spending a single cent. Let's get into it. First, we need a solid foundation. I'm heading over to Gemini and typing this exact prompt. I want to create Sri Lankan stories about Andare. Suggest 10 topics, then write them in Sinhala with English subtitles. I also make sure to ask for 8 scene prompts with character consistency and that specific South Asian vibe. Once I have the list, I'm picking our first one, the tale of the sugar hedge. Now, let's bring these visuals to life. We're using Flow from Google DeepMind. After you review the policies, hit Create New Project. Here's the breakdown. You can choose your aspect ratio and the number of images. For the models, you've got options like Nano Banana Pro or Imagen 4. When you switch to video mode, you'll see frames and ingredients. Frames allow you to set a start and end point using images, while ingredients act as references. But since we're being smart with credits, we're sticking to image generation for now. I'll copy the first scene prompt from Gemini and paste it. Crucial step. I also paste the king's character description right below it to keep him looking the same in every shot. Look at that. Now, to keep it consistent, I'll use this first image as a reference for the second scene. Paste the next prompt, hit generate, and boom! Perfect consistency, zero cost. Pro tip, look at the generation costs. Every credit counts. If you're planning a long series, generating images first is the secret. Full video generation eats credits for breakfast, but image models in Flow often cost 0 or very little to experiment with. Google gives you 150 credits to start and 50 daily, but let's save those for the really complex stuff. I'll download our upscaled image and head over to a free animation site, like Meta. Just upload the image, type in your scene prompt, and add Animate Video. If you don't like the first result, just hit Regenerate until it's perfect. Finally, we need a voice that fits the story. We're using Google AI Studio. I'll copy our Sinhala script from Gemini and paste it here. Make sure to remove the English subtitles. We only want the AI to read the Sinhala text. You can adjust the sample context to make the tone sound more storyteller and less robot. You can even add specific scene details to help the AI get the emotion right.
And that's it. Export your voiceover, drop it into your favorite editor with your animations, and you've got a professional-grade cartoon. You can see how the final result looks right here. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI secrets. I'll leave the full series in my end screen. Thanks for watching, and go create something legendary.